Stop going to the dentist to remove tartar and whiten your teeth. I'm going to give you a homemade recipe that will whiten your teeth in just a few minutes. With just 3 ingredients, you will see it will be effective from the very first use. Save it so you don't lose it. To begin, take a piece of ginger root, peel it and grate it into a bowl. Then in another bowl, put a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now cut a lemon in half and squeeze it. Then add the ginger previously prepared and half a teaspoon of toothpaste. Mix it all together. It's ready. Brush your teeth for 2 or 3 minutes with the mixture and watch your teeth change color. Now all you have to do is try it out and tell me in the comments if your yellow teeth and lime scale have disappeared. If you've made it this far, comment yes, I will try it. It will also help you get rid of bad breath and leave your mouth fresh and clean. Try this natural remedy and you will thank me later. Don't forget to share and like this video to all your friends and family.